Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we have to solve the question number 3 of exercise 5.2. The question says that in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Now we have given APs, and the terms in the APs are missing. Some terms in these APs are missing. We have to find these missing terms in the boxes. So let's consider the first part of the question, that is first term is 2, then second term is missing, and the third term is 26. So in the first case we have first term as 2, second term is to be determined, and third term is 26. Now we know that a3, that is third term, is equal to a plus 2d. So instead of a3 we will write a plus 2d equal to 26, and then we will use 2 instead of a. We are given that a is equal to 2, we will use 2 and plus 2d equal to 26 in this equation. Now we will transpose 2 to the left hand side. We will get 2d equal to 26 minus 2. Now only 2d will be equal to 26 minus 2 means 24, and only d will be equal to 24 divided by 2. On dividing 2 on both sides of the equation, we will get d equal to 12. So when d is equal to 12, that is when common difference is given and first term is given, we can find any of the terms of AP. Now here we have to find a2, that is second term of AP, that is equal to a plus 1d or a plus d. So a2 will be equal to a plus d, that is 2 plus d here is now 12. So we will get a2, that is a2 will be equal to 12 plus 2 means 14. So our term in the box in the first AP is 14. So this box as a value of 14. Now this way, similarly we can solve the second part of the question, that is we are here missing, here it is first term is missing, then second term is given, that is 13, third term is missing, then fourth term is given. So we have first term missing and then third term is missing, second and fourth terms are given. So how will you solve such a problem wherein you have first term missing, first term is not given, and the rest of the terms are given? Now the second part of the question, we have in the second part we have first term is to be determined is missing, and second term is 13, third term is also missing. When second term is 13, it means that a plus d is 13. So in this equation we will write a2 as a plus d and equal to 13. Also we will mark it as equation first term. Similarly we have fourth term is 3. So we, instead of a4, we will write a plus 3d equal to 3. So this is our equation second. Now we have two equations in two variables, that a and d. So it is a pair of linear equations in two variables, a and d are the two variables over here. Now we will solve these equations by elimination method. So in order to eliminate a, we have to subtract equation first from equation second. So equation second is a plus 3d. We have to subtract from it a plus d equal to 13. That is the second equation. So we will get a and a will vanish. We are left with 2d equal to minus 10. D will be equal to minus 10 divided by 2, that is d will be equal to minus 5. We will put this d or substitute the value of d in equation first or equation second. Here we will substitute in equation first. We will get a plus minus 5 equal to 13. A minus 5 will be equal to 13, or we will transpose minus 5 to the left hand side. We will get a equal to 13 plus 5, that is a equal to 18. So whenever we have got the value of 18, sorry, a equal to 18, we will now be able to find any of the terms of AP, because we are now given the common difference and the first term. Whenever common difference and first terms are given, first term is given, so we can find any term of the AP. Therefore A3 you know that is equal to A plus 2D. Therefore A3 will be equal to, instead of A we will write 18 plus 2 into D will be is here minus 5. So A3 will be equal to 18 minus 10, that is A is equal to 8. So we got A equal to 8 over here. A equal to 8 and sorry, it is A3 is equal to 8. A3 is equal to 8. So over here we got what we got. A3 we got equal to 8 and A is 18 is equal to 18. So these were the missing terms in the AP. Both terms we have calculated. So this is the second part of the question that we got solved. Now rest of the parts can be solved similarly if you try them. Comes the question number 4 of the exercise, that is which term of the AP, this AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78. We had to say that which term of this AP, given AP is 78. We know that the given AP is 3, 8, 13 and 18 and so on. In this AP we see that first term, that is A, is 3 and common difference D will be equal to second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 10 is equal to 5. Now let us suppose that nth term of AP is 78. Let's suppose that its nth term is 78, that is AN is 78. Instead of AN we will write A plus N minus 1 into D is 78 is equal to 78. Instead of A we have 3 and instead of D we have 5. So we will write 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 equal to 78. So n minus 1 into 5, by transposing 3 to the left hand side we will get 78 minus 3. Now over here we get n minus 1 into 5 equal to 78 minus 3 minus 75. Now n minus 1 will be equal to 75 divided by 5. By dividing on both sides by 5 we get n minus 1 equal to 15, or only n will be equal to 15 plus 1. By transposing 1 to the left hand side, n will be equal to 16. When n is equal to 16, but we suppose therefore A 16 is 78, that is A 16 is 78, that 16th term of this AP, of the given AP, is 78. So we found the answer of the question, that 16th term is 78. Comes the question number 5 of the exercise, that is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. We have two APs over here, first and the second AP. In these APs we have to find the number of terms. We have, in the first case we have the given AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on, and the last term is 205. Here we know first term is 7, common difference is second term minus first term, that is 13 minus 7 equal to 6. Let's suppose that number of terms be n. Therefore last term, nth term, is over here 205, because we have supposed that nth number of terms in the AP is n, therefore nth term will be 205. By nth term we mean A plus n minus 1 into D is 205. Instead of A we will write 7 because we have A equal to 7, and instead of D we have 6, therefore we will write 7 plus n minus 1 into 6 equal to 205. N minus 1 into 6 will be 205 minus 7, by transposing 7 to the left hand side. N minus 1 into 6 will be 198, because 205 minus 7 will be 198. N minus 1 will be equal to 198 divided by 6, dividing on both sides by 6 we get n minus 1 will be equal to 33, and n only will be equal to 33 plus 1. By transposing 1 minus 1 to the left hand side, that is n will be equal to 34. That is number of terms in the given AP is 34. So this is the number of terms in the AP.